Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Chloe and I'm really excited to present you with this beautiful Audi approved A3 Saloon S-Line 2-litre diesel engine one we have in stock. I'm going to start by giving you a quick 360 overview about this beautiful car, and then we'll go into a little bit more detail about the interior. So starting at the front of the vehicle, we have got the very striking LED headlights with LED rear lights and dynamic rear indicators, just to give you the visibility that you need on every single journey. Around the side of the vehicle, we've got the absolutely stunning 18-inch alloy wheels, which are 5-arm dynamic design and really do give off the finishing touch. We've got all the electrical adjustable door mirrors, which are heated and also folding with automatically dimming, which makes it incredibly easy whilst reversing. But moving into the back, where your passengers will be able to relax in maximum style and comfort in the back of this A3, with the full leather seats, the centre armrest, climate control and the extra cup holders just for added space. At the rear end of this vehicle, we've got all the S-Line body styling, including the bumpers and the roof spoiler with the sport suspension. But moving on into the boot on this A3 Saloon, we've got an incredibly spacious boot size, perfect for any family days out or any successful shopping trips, as you'll be able to fit a lot of luggage in the boot. The privacy glass on this A3 ensures the passengers in your vehicle will travel in the most privacy as possible. Taking a look in the front, we are greeted by such an impeccable interior, which includes a 3-spot multifunctional steering wheel with all the steering wheel controls. As we turn around, we've got the full leather super sport seats, which are really comfortable and enjoyable with a manual seat adjustment. So that concludes the 360 walk around. And now it's time to dig a little bit more about the interior. The door mirror controls include heated, perfect for those winter months, and also automatically dimming. Whilst we make our way upwards, we've got the automatic headlights, ensuring every journey is as effortless as possible. But moving on to the beautiful S-Line steering wheel with all the S-Line badging. We have got the cruise control, so it has never been so peaceful and relaxed for those long motorway journeys home. With all the steering wheel controls, so from the left hand side you'll be able to change radio station and manage connected devices. And from the right hand side, activate voice control, change the volume and also answer those important phone calls. Right in front of the driver, there's the virtual cockpit, which is a missable feature at the moment, which houses everything about the car. So the driver has maximum convenience. This A3 has done 6,020 miles and comes with 2 sets of keys, which is really handy to have a spare. Furthermore, we can move on to the Multimedia Interface, which is fully touchscreen. This includes DAB digital radio, so you have an endless list of radio stations for you to scroll through and add to your favourites. With the media players, you can connect up several devices through Bluetooth, and the telephone interface allows you to make those important phone calls and never miss them on the go. And with the high definition sat nav, so it'll get you from A to B with route guidance and live traffic updates. And we also have the use of Android Auto or Apple CarPlay in this vehicle. Moving further down, we've got the 2-way deluxe climate control, which is really accessible to you and your passenger in the front, as you'll be able to have both sides of the car on a different temperature. With a keyless go entry, automatic gearbox and the front centre armrest just for added comfort. It's such a spacious and luxurious vehicle, especially with the super comfortable front sport seats. So thank you for watching this video on this A3 Saloon S-Line, which is part of the Audi approved use scheme. This includes a minimum term of cover of 12 months warranty with flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive now, contact us on 01254 868 216.